In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I bought a Zira Nuemenar meme coin using Phantom Wallet. If you're excited about diving into the world of meme coins and want to give it a shot yourself, this guide will show you how to do it step by step. First off, you're going to want to head over to a website called DeckScreener. You can find it at deckscreener.com. Once you're there, look for the Solana section. This is a vital step because we'll be searching for tokens based on the Solana blockchain. If you're new to this, Solana is one of the popular platforms for decentralized tokens. On the Solana page, search for a token with an active trading pair. For illustration, let's use Dogcoin, though you can choose another token if you like. Next, once you've found a token that looks promising, go ahead and click on the Solana option. This will help narrow down your token search specifically within the Solana ecosystem. Following that, you'll want to locate the Dogcoin Solana pair. By clicking on it, you can view more specific data about the token's performance and trading volume, which are crucial parameters for making an informed purchase. Now, you'll need to connect your wallet. Head over to the gup.ag platform and find the Connect button. Clicking it will prompt you to choose your wallet. Opt for the Phantom wallet, which we're using for this transaction, and then approve the connection to ensure that your wallet is successfully linked with the platform. Once connected, you'll be setting up your swap. In the From field, make sure to select SOL. This means you're choosing to trade from Solana coins. For the To field, you're going to need the Dogcoin token address. Simply paste it there. It's important to wait for the token icon or name to appear, confirming it's the correct token. Once it shows up, go ahead and click it to proceed. Enter the amount of SOL you wish to trade. In this guide, I'm suggesting you might enter 0.1 SOL, but this is entirely up to your discretion depending on your comfort level and budget. After setting your amount, hit the swap button. Now, this is where the magic happens. Finally, you'll see a prompt in your Phantom wallet asking for approval of the transaction. Review the details to make sure everything looks as expected, then approve the transaction. And voila, you've successfully swapped your tokens. Following these steps should lead you to where you hold some of that $0.1 meme coin in your wallet, ready for whatever next step you intend to take, whether it's holding, trading, or something else entirely. I hope this guide helps you navigate through the excitement of acquiring meme coins using Phantom Wallet. Thanks for watching.